Today we'll talk about how can you add languages on your Tandem map. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Tandem map. So all you have to do is you just go above photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now. So you just go down, you click here all languages here, click on it. So then it's going to take, so when you click here on languages, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you come here, I'm native in, add here languages here. So or here I'm fluent in, or here I'm learning in, learning. So add here language you're learning. So here can you add all these languages here on this list on your Tandem app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.